Consumers have a lot of issues with pet hair on their clothing. We were seeing a lot of not being able to remove as much hair from their clothing as they wished during the laundry process.
Our advanced development group and consumer science group saw a need, and so they started out with an advanced development project to figure out how can we best meet that need? How much hair do we need to get away? Is it hair? Is it odor? What are the things that we can serve? And then how much change do we need to make in order to get that benefit for the consumer?
There's really clear consumer insights and data to point to this is a pain point people have.
Being a company that really cares about improving consumers' lives at home, we aren't just going to solve a non-problem. We are going to start from the very beginning, understand what our consumers are looking for at the end of the day, and be able to deliver a solution.
And when you show them the pet hair in the filter in the washing machine, the proof is in the pudding.
The washer itself removes 5 times more pet hair than one of our other washers. The washer cycle modifier adds more water. That's to do 2 things. One, it's to help give the hair somewhere to go off of the clothes. And then number 2, it's to help the hair flow best to the filter. So the way that we've designed the agitator, every time it turns, it's pumping water through that filter. So it's doing 2 things at once. It's washing and collecting the pet hair. The washing machines in the market today, they might free it from the clothes, but when you drain the water out, the hair is going to settle right back into them. So having that filter actually lets you remove it separately from the clothes.
And then when your clothes enter the dryer, we have a large lid screen that then catches the hair at that point. It's really the system together, the filter, and then also the cycles that really make it a whole system.
For the dryers, there's no physical filter like the washer. We had to design this algorithm that can remove more pet hair.
The cycle modifier adds more tumble dry time to the end of the cycle, cycling more air through, getting more hair off.
We're only using air dry, so we're not using a heat in that part of the cycle.
So when your clothes get dry, they're not over dried.
We had to start really from scratch in terms of how we test. We had employees bringing in their clothes with pet hair on them to set that benchmark and made sure whatever tests or methods we came up with, we were validating it back against that North Star of, hey, what are consumers and customers experiencing in their home today with real pet hair?
It was really cool to actually see consumers see that impact that the new system has, and they really did see improved performance between the two.
These units are going to improve their lives at home, help them deal with pet hair, help save them time lint rolling, and really just make it a more streamlined, smooth laundry experience.